All right, mate. Let's look at Luna here. It's money flow about to flip green here, but yeah, money flow flipping green on the chop. Um, it, it's interesting. I do like Luna, but it is a tough one to kind of call. Um, like like you just have to look at the weekly chart. Like this is in theory kind of a in spirit of bear flag. I mean, maybe not even in spirit of it. It basically is a giant bear flag. Where does it where does it top out? Like, do we do that? Do we come up here, take liquidity, uh, even back into the neckline, and then get that dump back down? I'm just concerned about this sort of pattern. After this sort of breakdown, it's this is all kind of inside action in a bearish flag manner. So I'll just start with that. That's my concerns that the upside, well, may be limited. I'm very surprised that there was no liquidity taken down below price here. We didn't even get a wick down below this giant candle, which was very surprising to me. Maybe maybe we're not getting that now, and maybe it needs to come back for it later. If you get my drift, we didn't get it initially, and kind of people FOMOed in and pushed it higher, but we may need to come back for liquidity down below this giant red candle is what I'm trying to get at. So that's my concern. But in the shorter scheme of things, we got this monthly doji, and then we are flip green now. So as long as we are green, you have to start thinking, well, we kind of are bullish. Yesterday, we actually held and bounced off the monthly open, as you can see here, which is resistance or support. But I like the RSI here. See the way the RSI has finally broke out to the upside, and we pulled back and retested the 50, well, the 46 level, and then we held above that. That's a good sign. If we look back here, is there any more signs of something similar in the past? Well, you could consider here this retest here, and then we got to push back up. So, like, I would say it's not done here. Like, I think Luna will go higher, but I'm concerned that we may want to just come up here, take liquidity, and then is it going to fail up here above all these moving averages, and then I get that rollover to take liquidity at the bottom. So we come up, we take liquidity at top, and then we come over and take liquidity at the bottom. That's kind of my thoughts on Luna at this point. Now, obviously, if you're looking for an entry point to see if you can get this to go higher, you want to wait until a new 3-day. This 3-day candle is pretty big at this point. Then you want to buy the dip, or you want to wait for the dip, and then when it flips green, look to get long. But I would probably prefer to be buying this between 38% and 50. We'll call 50% retrace. I would say that is your safer buy point here to then move back to the upside to take liquidity up the top here, which is potentially a 30% bounce. This is a big strong candle right here, a big bullish engulfing candle with potential of more upside. I don't see any reason to FOMO in before the 3-day candle. It's down 2.2% here. No reason for me or you to FOMO into this right now. I would like that dip back down here, and I'm going to set an alarm myself on it. I would rather check down here and see if we can get a better entry.